time.
Hey guys, moving forward.
Magic mirror on the wall.
Oh, for the days when that was all.
What dost thou know about my queen? Think she be the only villain I have seen?
Think again. Which is why I have summoned you. Oh, for the days when only one villain summoned me. A queen with a question. You know how it goes. Magic mirror on the wall. Your turn. Who's the fairest one of all? Well done. But define fair. Beautiful? Once upon a time it was. But these days, villains are preoccupied with who's been treated the most unfairly of all. Each evil villain here would like to suggest that they're not bad apples, they just get bad press. So they whine and they ask if they're victims of a grudge. I just reflect. I can't judge. To make matters worse, when they find a looking glass and recite that question they continually ask, the evil queen strikes with a terrifying crash and smashes into bits. It's up to you to tell them what you see. Please make a choice so they'll stop asking me.
Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
You see, I've been enchanted to answer only to the queen. Still, they're relentless, so I need you to intervene. Help me appease them. They torment me all night and day. You be the judge.
I beg you make them go. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?
But I can't judge, I just reflect.
So what you see is what you get.
Hello, darling.
See how it worsens. Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
Oh, you see, practically misunderstood.
Ruthless,
Driven,
devious,
creative.
and dressed to kill.
Oh, I like that
She made it through.
one. There's Lucy. Hey, my darling. That bitch.
She doesn't scare you, won't even make her ill. To see her is to take a certain chance.
I'm full of surprises. Yes. It's a curse to be so famously misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you.
I tell you, incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
I know you're in there.
You answer me.
No. I have told you, I only answer to the Queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you.
So try the life of me.
Really?
The sound of the life of Coke. There isn't a one who won't have fun more for Captain Hook. The world's most famous drug. I finally made it through the glass. Why, hello, Captain Hook, at your service. Now, of course, that brash Peter Pan gets all the attention. Even she likes him better than me. Do you? Dare you fool me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood. Do you not realize what a benevolent captain like myself can offer you? Freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that! Answering to, let me see. You want? Say! No. So try the life of a thief. Disciple the life of a book. There isn't one who won't have fun like the Captain Hook. The world's most famous drug. Yes! Fancy! Ha-ha! Is that the Captain Hook? Goody! Look here. A special offer for today. I'll tell you what for those who sign without delay, will get a free tattoo. Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, but now be frank. Unless you do, you'll walk the plank. The choice is up to you. The choice is up to you. Yes, look at me, see? Why me? That's all. You'll have to like the thief. You'll miss the life of a truck. If there was fun for everyone, and you'll get treasure by the ton. Yes? Come beside the book. Join up with Captain Hook. Put the hooks in the air!
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Oh, yes. The fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
Frightened the knave and the mirror away, have you? Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list, omitted from a grand affair the entire kingdom is attending, except you. It's so I've been woefully misinterpreted. Your love. Aurora was I doing to sit ever think of it like this? Tragically misunderstood. Magic mirror of the wall. Misunderstood. Is that your call?
No, that would be them.
How? They've seen the light. It's never wrong to make things right.
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn.
It never ends.
Hold it right there, Mr. Floaty Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello! She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the god!
Insignificant and awkward, Islam boy.
Hey, who's so dark and dark, yeah?
Two at a time?
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, kindly let him know I was here first.
Without you hovering apparition, I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. You need a little cheese to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I'm cool. I'm calm. I'm cool. Hey, whoever's knocking, get mine. I was here first. Okay.
I dare any to challenge all that I have endured.
Dismissed, rejected,
And,
publicly humiliated.
Banished and exiled to Prakistan. Cats and their fancy cars don't give you so much as a sideways glance.
Oh no, more than three.
All I really want is just a little space.
You guys know who I am.
I was the Grand Vizier of Andaman!
Did you think this mortal?
Oh, that it has come to this.
I'm surrounded by
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone!
No! Shattered. Again. Too many. Must end. But you. Yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them. Choose the most misunderstood. But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill?
I'm an original, my darlings, not a criminal!
Cruella De Vil! Or shout for the world's most famous crook.
Scream now, the archive!
Captain Hook.
Let me hear you all! Hawk, 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 hawk!
Or scream in a deviant upheaval.
My curse produced true love.
Maleficent, the mistress of all evil.
I must tell you, my glittering assembly.
most misunderstood of all? Maleficent! Now off you go.
Did I say I'd leave?
Well, but aren't you done with all your questioning? Why must I endure riffraff?
The villain always gets the last laugh.